Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're just showing you a quick tip to make your own taco seasoning. And your Taco Tuesdays will never be the same again. So stay tuned. So what you need for 1 pound of meat is the following. We will need 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground red pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to blend these ingredients together. I use a fork because if it has any clumps in it, it helps to get them out. So just mix it well where you don't see a large amount of one certain color. This is the equivalent of a package of pre-made taco seasoning, but way better. Okay, now that we've got that mixed, we're going to take it over to my prepared meat and I'll show you how to use it. So I prepared a pound of ground beef and I've already drained it. If you need help with this, I made a video in my Cooking 101 series on how to brown ground beef, and you can refer to that video if you need to. But the seasoning's also good for ground turkey or fish or shredded chicken or shredded pork. The possibilities are really endless. Shrimp or whatever. But today we're using ground beef. So to this ground beef, I'm going to add the seasoning mix that we made. And this is equivalent to a package of the already made taco seasoning, but much better. So I've added that, and then I have a 1/4 cup of water. And then I'm just going to mix it until it's well incorporated. And then really it only takes a few minutes to simmer and let the water evaporate. If you want to add a little more water to get it a little more saucy, you can. But I think this is fine because we always add salsa and things to it afterwards. But after that warms up and simmers just for a few minutes, you're ready. You have meat ready for tacos, for nachos, and we're going to have taco salad or just whatever you want to make with it. So if you enjoyed this tip and you want to see more, please like this video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you know when I make another one. So until the next one, God bless.